Afternoon. I'm in last week on Saturday I did a content with Majestic bus, BMTC Majestic bus run with the Volvo 8400 B8 B9R and B11R, and also I did with Switch. Now today I'm at Shanti Nagar bus depot of KSRTC, where they have their own government owned Volvo Scania buses. Okay, so I've got the permission of the manager from here. Thank you so much, sir, for that. Yeah, so let me start my content now. Dream come true to do a content of KSRTC with their Volvo and Scania collection. Okay, this latest version, uh, Volvo 9600 B8R. Okay, Karnataka passing 57 F5390. Their motto on this bus is written as Ambari Utsav. Okay, in Kannada it's written over here. This is a 15-meter sleeper bus. Okay, and I'll show you on the other side. Okay, this is how the Ambari Utsav celebration of journey and Utsav stickering they have done over here means happiness, and the elephant logo, it's Volvo KSRTC bus. Okay, this is Volvo B8R engine. Okay, 42 sleeper of theirs. Okay, as I'm coming over here, this is how the Ambari Utsav looks at the back, and see Volvo 9600 sleeper, ksrtc.gov.in, that's government.in. Okay, this is one bus, that's Volvo B8R. KSRT's Aravat, Sleep Like a Baby, which is seen a lot in Maharashtra, and it comes to Mumbai also. This is a seater bus. Okay, and it's written over here, during COVID it was put. So, and as you see over here, it's written as this vehicle is treated by sanitizer. Okay, this has also got a 12-speed AMT, as you can see over here. This is how the internal cabin of the bus is. Okay, passenger seats. Okay, this is how it is. TV over here, same Volvo sleeper seater combination, and this is 53 seating capacity. Is written over here, seating capacity 53 granted. Okay, so this is a 53 seater bus. Okay, sleep like a baby with multi axle comfort, and see the tagline over there of the baby sleeping. Sleep like a baby is written, and that's how the tagging is. Okay, there's one more Aravat over here, sleep like a baby. Okay, Volvo 9400 Aravat, keep distance, rear engine, no hand signal, AC bus. This is the second one over here. Okay, the latest generation and the latest version of KSRTC. This is how it is. 13.5 meter. Okay, and they have got two versions of Scania, that is 13.5 and 14.7 meter. This is a seater bus. Okay, this also sleep like a baby. See the same baby on this Scania Multi also. Okay, the seating capacity of this bus, I'll just check and let you know. And Scania Metro Link, written Scania branding over here. This is, I think, this is actually this bus is KSR is written over here, Shanti Nagar depot, customer's number and vehicle number given. Make Scania BS3 version. The vehicle was last tested on the 21st of December in 2024, along with the time given. And the seating capacity of this bus, one moment, is, see the steering, 1 2 3 4 4 spoke steering, handbrake, driver dashboard, and this is a 38 seater bus. Okay, no clutch, only brake and XC. A retarder switch, JTEC AC also given. Old version of Scania. Okay, LED TV of carbon is fitted over here, 22-inch. 2, 3 Scanias, 13.5. B9R, B11R, one more Scania, Volvo, B9R, Scania standing, B8R, latest version of theirs, and Volvo's B8R. Alright, that is B9R और B11R आई थी. So 9400 का इंजन के साथ. Scanias, no handle, no hand signal, AC bus, keeps a distance, rear engine. Okay, this is the Scania. This is the Volvo 9400. Okay, sleep like a baby. This also is Aravat Tukla, sleep like a baby. Scania, which I showed you right now. Okay, and this is how the Scania looks from the side. Multi-axle, super high deck. Okay, I'm not going to show the workshop for privacy, and I don't like to do all those content also. Volvo B8R, Scania, Volvo B8R. Okay, 15 meter. This is 13.5 and 14 meter, 14.7 meter, 9400 B9R, 9R. Well, I've been informed by this Volvo mechanic. Okay, taking a ride. Okay, that's how it is. Behind is, I think so, this is only for the parking of the vehicle, this depot. Okay, and the main workshop is behind on that side. When you see that big light in the center, that is for the depot light in the night. Okay, that's how it is. Sleep like a baby. Another Scania standing over there like a tall baby. Okay, Scania, again I'm showing Scania, Volvo, Scania, Volvo 94, B8, Scania. Okay, I will